because I was doing grade 12. We've been friends since from primary, I think grade 4. So because she's good nge-maths, ngiyamdinga because assist laphana ngim-assist laphana. So ngathi mina no mngani wami, how about sofundele kini? I came with the idea, it's okay, we can't skip this one because siyabhala Friday. Masifika kuphekiwe, it was around 5 ntambama. So ngilele ngezwa their sounds. Ebona footstep yomuntu ka. That footstep was heavy. Ugogo uyachela ngaphandle. Uyaxolisa, ucela uyakhuluma uyaxolisa, so khulunywa isishangane. Lezi zinto zicula ngesishangane. Kokwani ijile ayishuranga. Gogo sidlile asisuthanga. And ngiyadistepeka ngiyavuka futhi. Girl lalela. So ngimude mangengaka. I saw umuntu ongaka nendlebe ezifani angazi ngimchaza kanjani. But umuntu and the other one uyabona umuntu wesifazane nenwele zimhlophe. Thani masivala iwindi yantu kokubonile iwindi mali ikhetnis mali jive.
3, 2, 1 and action hotebe.
Sanibonani bafethu. Once again, Soweto Podcast Paranormal Show bafethu. It is what it is. As you know by now, this is the show that you guys have been waiting for. This is the show that you guys are locked in. Yo, bafethu, I must tell you, this is just the month of the Mula ladies. Yeah, no, this is a Mula month. If you remember last episode, we had the Mula lady and the first, amantombazana wakamula madoda asiblessile asifikele kusho sizoba nemali sizoba nenyuko. Soweto Podcast is Mula, don't you forget that. So yeah, bafethu, would like to say thank you Baba Mula. Zonke intombi zakho sithole nemishado for ingane zethu khona. So yeah. Thank you so much. Guys, please don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification button, bafethu. Share our stories. Let us know what you think about our guest. Yeah, bafethu. Yeah, sure. As you always do, guys, you criticize. No, like I always said, we've got that type of mentality. Keep them coming. We'll grow from them until we get to that level of born with doesn't bafethu, at least professionalism. I know sometimes, good. Hey, Sipo, how can you laugh? You are so insensitive. I'm sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. I'd like to say on that note, if maybe I might have missed the mark, we might see things differently. Sometimes to told what it's sensitive to me, find what what we're just trying to diffuse the air. We don't just like always hearing this. Sometimes it's always good as we vent out the stories. We just try to find lighter moments into it. Not to say we're mocking or undermining or disrespecting anyone. But because of you guys are watching, and I know you're staunch watchers of Soweto Podcast, you subscribe. Yeah, no, I'd just like to say, guys, so it's a thing where you feel good. I know, Sipo, that was very insensitive of you to laugh. Police, cool. So it's a yeah, so yeah, let's go. Hello, sis. Kunjani?
Yep.
All right? Namnyaphila. Yeah, the Mula girl. Okay. Let us get you twin Mula. Ukuthi wena as a twin ukhule kanjani? Yeah, uwomdala wonke ama-twin asekhaya. Ubhuti. Okay. Kuze wena.
Mara ngithanda ukuthi uyimdala sithu.
Oh, okay, cool. Okay, please just let us know when we twin linjani. Are you quiet or you are this twin lady? What kind of a twin are you?
So mina ngasho ukuthi ngile twin eli angithabona ama-twin khona lo usilo ongajumpisa. Usile mara ngoba uzenza cool. So mina shem nosendini bayangazi nanoma kudangiwe cala ngami mpho lapho kwesinye isikhathi akusiyimfu because bayangazi ukuthi okay all over ngiyaziphaphela ngifani everywhere. So ubhuti wami yilo uzomosha bese kuthiwa hayi nomsuku ngithandela lapho uye. Yeah, so mina ngilethini lelimi
eliziphaphela.
Yeah,
really.
Nasesikoleni bazi nje ukuthi khona lo one because bake basihlukanisa nasemaklasini. Every time makamoshile khona uthisha ngobeni bavela athi Tibani and C2 abotibane la classini ngithi saksi mathi ngizoshaya ni2 phuma ogayile so bas khiphe eclassini eliwa umunye wayale umunye wayale
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. No, man. It's wow. It's a Mula month indeed. So yeah. No, we were blessed to have you guys. Thank you so much for choosing us. Thank you so much for coming through. So, simple. You are here today. It's it's very interesting that all of you as sisters, you've got your own stories, your own experiences, what you guys have been through. Okay. Let us get to hear your turn. Why are you here today?
Okay, today I'm here to share my own story based on, I won't say ubuthakathi, or should I say ukuthwala. Angazi nokuthi ngidefine kanjani.
Okay.
So I was doing grade 12, and umngani wami, we've been friends since from primary, I think grade 4. We've been friends mina naye.
Okay.
La khona ngikhona umngani wami. So sikhula bekahleze ezakithi azolala ekhaya, but my mom never actually type allow sleep over unless kukhuluma umuntu omdala. And ugogo kamngani wami ke nomama they are not really friends. So until this day, since I grade 12 and my grade 12 mele sifunde. Like mele funde every day, sometimes because to 20 cross night just to funde, and umngani wami she was good in mathematics and good with tourism with the other subjects. So cause then she's good in math, ngiyamdinga kuzazo assist lapha ngim assist lapha. So usually cross night biswenzele ekhaya, mama mbeka nganankinga. So this other day umamkhulu hoste istokfela sabo mama. So wakhuluma nomama ukuthi no istokfela basenzele ekhaya. Sihlala eThembisa eIvory. Istokfela basenzele ekhaya. Then umama ngazabe nenkinga because ijarity elikhulu, kune space ku right. And baba mi akekho, baba menza construction ukuthi ahambe 6 months. Asebenza kuma Cape Town ngophi. So bheka ngekho, so umama ngazabe nenkinga. So 14 ukuthi sifunde kube i-challenge because abomama behlangene bafuna ukujiva kuze kuse. And umamkhulu wami lento beyaplan ukuthi istokfela soqala ngabafundi ambama. So asazi nokuthi beqeda nini. So ngathi mina no mngani wami, how about sifunde kini? I came with the idea ukuthi okay, we can't skip this one because siyabhala Friday. So how about sifundela kini because today it's Thursday and Friday le yakusasa sinayo, but next week Friday we writing and the emails young challenge. So athi mngani wami no it's fine ngizokhuluma nogogo wami. Then kushuthi ufike wakhuluma nogogo wakhe wavuma, and then
It's simple. Just to catch it. Ngibonga devotion ngakhona awuzange wathi imaths yakhulu uthe challenge. I like that. Ngiyabonga.
So ugogo kemavuma, then that's when we came back isitshela umama. So umama bekangena choice but uthi avume because akakwazi ukucancel istokfela. Then I said no it's fine hamba, but ngicela wenze sure ukuthi by Sunday ngo8 ula. It's okay ngizokwenza sure. I said please umama ngifuna text it mawungekho duze na 20 minutes text I say something. Noma ngathi hi uthule kananda. So I said no it's fine ngizoku-update ikid ukuthi kwenzakalani sihambe. Ugogo kamngani wami ngiyamazi ngimjwayele but ngimazi from esikolweni meetingini besingakaze sibe on a same room sonke. Masifika kuphekiwe, it was around 5 ntambama kuphekiwe. So we right nje we ready ukuthi hayi sizodla mase siyofunda. Okay, sikhlale phansi kudliwe. So khona abo ngithi mangixoxela baba mndaba leyo wathi baba no abo gogo noma abomkhulu bakudala they had things ezibe zibasiza ukusebenza empilweni ukuze babe right. So indlela kangichazele ngayo baba mthu angazi noma bekazama ukungiunderstand ukuthi what was happening or kanjani. But kushuthi they had umthetho endlini ukuthi okay mabaqeda ukudla bona bazophaka khona ama plate azophakwa ayise endlini thizeni. Awungeni ubeke eminyango then you leave, you don't even look back. And umngani wami usifanele namakazi next but ukhulela lapha ekhaya. Then kudliwe maqeda ukudliwa kushuthi ugogo kunabavakashi and she did not do lento ekumele yenze ukuthi aphaka hambise ukudla lapha because khona mina umvakashi. Then sihambe sekamereni masifika ekamereni lakho umngani wami sihleli kuhle, they have everything around la, the house is Perfect. Umngane wami une-TV yakhe ekamereni. Like asisafundanga sesibhizi ne-TV. Nje, you know, ngibhizi angazi ngenzeni. I-TV ngapha i-Wi-Fi and mina endlini i-TV makuphela uzalo iyacima yonke umuntu welala. Amafoni ayathathwa afaka phakathi kwebasket ngizowathola kusasa. Manje uye esikoleni. So nginale opportunity ukuthi today ngizohlala nefoni yami until 12. Wow. So akufundwanga vele kube busy namafoni. Then it happens ukuthi okay ubuthongo buzofika then uyazumeka ugcina ulele ungazilale kanjani. So ngilele ngezwa there sounds. Nama sounds ugogo uyachela ngaphandle. Uyaxolisa, ucela uyakhuluma uyaxolisa so khulunywa isishangane. Not Tsonga because Tsonga lisa se Limpopo. Then lisa isishangane original from Mozambique. Uyaxolisa. Then
uyasiza.
Yeah, ngumtsonga ngumshangana both ngizwa konke.
Yeah.
So ngiyezwa then ngivusa umngane wami. Girl, yini it's normal. Khona stuff esenzakalayo ngaphandle. Besikhuluma language understandwa yimi naye. Khona stuff esenzakalayo ngaphandle. Kwenzakala ngaphandle. It's normal ngathi ugogo busy. Athi ami ugogo. Nguthi sure. Athi ngithi what if you sleepwalk? Athi hayi umntana wakhe uzovuka umcheka. Makathi umntana wakhe usho babakhe. No ngawari baba umntana wakhe uzovuka umcheka. Ayi okay. Thuleke. Then after some time ngizakale khona yabona footstep yomuntu kha. That footstep was heavy. Ngizakala ke. Uyezwa kuyahanjwa and ama footstep abantu like it's either 2 or more. Ke then baya lezi zinto ziyaqula. Gogo sidlile asisuthanga. Sicula ngesishangane. Kokwani ijile ayishuranga. And ngiyadistepeka ngiyavuka futhi. Girl, ngithi girl lalela. Lalela sesiyamangala sithi ukuthi then athi is it possible ukuthi ubutama business TV? Ngithi angeke ngalesikhathi lento iyazwakala emadlebeni ukuthi lento into eyenzakalayo. Then sikobe ewindeni. We saw ngimude mangengaka. I saw umuntu ongaka. Nendlebe ezifani angazi ngimchaza kanjani but umuntu and the other one uyabona umuntu wesifazane nenwele zimhlophe, the other one umuntu wesilisa ufake nje ibruku elimadabudabu nje kuphela, then lo wesifazane naye ufake nje iroll elimadabudabu, then zibhizi ziyaqula. Gogo zidlela sisuthanga sicula ngesishangane. Gogo zidlela sisuthanga aphume leya gogo le makaphuma uphuma nenduku yepiki. Thina sikobile ewindeni. Like mina nomngane wamasazi kwenzakala sithu. Sikobile ewindeni uphuma nenduku yepiki uyazishaya. Angisho ukuthi kunabavakashi wani ngihlaza like uyazishaya then zibaleke zibile to that room umngane wami ngitshela ukuthi mngane wami lapha akuvuli gogo akafuni zivule lapha nama ngazwayo. So zibalekela to that room. Then masivali window yantu gogo bonile iwindi mali i-Katniss mali jive. Ugogo eze mekeza ugogo slide enedloop. So makafika ugogo unoka nokuvula. Makanoka nokuvula mina ifastera liduze nalabe ngileli khona. So I managed to ukuthi ngibiyele ngubeni. Then umngane wami wagijima izifibeka ibhakidini. Wathi ugogo wakhe bambiza ngelinye igama. Ngambiza athi go athi wenzani ebusuku athi benye iqhame ebhayideni athi manje Katniss belijayiswa yini athi go kangazi athi ungafuni ukungizonda ovela nje wamtshela kanjalo athi ungafuni ukungizonda. Okay then azange salala it's Friday khona Saturday kumele ngilale futhi Saturday ukuze ngizoya kithi Sunday kuze ngizokhona ukecatch up kwimaths. So asihleli like azange salala kuze washaya 5 ekseni masivuka endlini ku perfect. Ugogo kamngane wami umuntu omdala but ma uzothola indle i-perfect as if becleaner mina or becleaner kunomede emocleanayo. The house was perfect yonke into right and there's a smile on her face ngazothi nothing happened at night. Uphekile siyavuka itafula ligcwele mina ngithandile ukudla. Itafula ligcwele khona amagwinya kushuthi uvuke wabheka amagwinya ekseni khona amagwinya khona amaskonti ijuice la itiyeli la choose ukuthi udlani. So ngihleli ngiyadliwa but ngiyambona umngane wami ukuthi she's not happy. I think uhlukumezwe lamagama athi ungafuni ukungizona. Fine ngimkhuthaza umngane wami na me ugogo bekathukile bekatshela ukuthi khona someone ogqikizile endlini sayacomfortana. I think back then ingqondo bisasedom to the point ukuthi you don't think ujule entweni, you just think and pass by. So it happened ukuthi mangibuyela kithi mina wathi no mina ngizohamba nawe ngizolala kini Monday ngizovuka ngesikoleni ngithi sure athi okay ahambe nami umngane wami sihambe siye kithi vele silale khona then by Monday sivuke esikoleni and umngane wami ujwayele ukuthi yena makuye esikoleni ucarry khaftinezi extra mangimbuza bekani ukuthi ugogo wakhe uthi lezi ezinye ikhaftini akaphe umntwana oswelayo but akanganikeza umngane wakhe akaphi nje umunye umntwana oswelayo so it's Monday mina kithi 5 rand ngiyakhera angicomplain mangeke 5 rand iskaftini ngiyasithatha si-empty ngizophakisa umkawave esikoleni so kuyi Monday kuseni ngibuza mngana mkherani uthi yo angazi if umama mnemali mama msimbiza signora because ubaba mumbiza signora so ngithi angazi if usignora unemali
ngazini
umbiza kanjalo igama nasendlini sesijayele nje ukuthi igama lakhe usignora so ngithi mina angazi if usignora unemali but ngizombuza so ngibuze signora sicela imali mkhera athi anginayo imali but ahambe esikoleni ngizokulethela iskaftini ngithi okay C2 nomngane wami athi inkinga ngangilethela fine esikoleni kuduzane nasendlini sifike esikoleni but umngane wami distracted akasafocus eklasini bayasazi bekuyiletha isandla siba so uthisha ngakaqeda ukubuza umbuzo isandla siba so
wena naye
yeah but that day umngane wami beka phansi to the point ukuthi wabizwa nase officeini bambuza uyagula athi inkinga abe like angifuni ukukhuluma ngayo nami mangimbuza bevela athi ayikela angifuni ukukhuluma ngayo it's okay so masifike umama vela silethe iskaftini bese after school masibuyele endlini uqale kithi akhumula information nje ukuthi azohamba yekubo then masahleli kungene i-call kufona ubabakhe ufonela yena direct makamfonela uthi ukuphi uyamtshela ngisendaweni so uthi okay ngeza ngizokulanda ugogo akekho right ugogo akekho right what happened ngogogo athi no man ugogo udumbile ngazothi ushayiwe uma lo ngashayi ugogo ayasazi okay bamlande vele bemnandi bahambe ngithi mngane ngizongi-update kwenzakalani ngogogo athi it's fine ngizoku-update makafika kushuthi wamshutha ithombe ushayiwe and induku emshayile i-deck makangisendela ngihleli nomamami mina ngicela ukustresseka ukuthi hayi khona umuntu ongadumeli ugogo induku engaka ashaya ugogo nje from nowhere ngitshela mama ngithi yo mama ugogo kamngane wami ushayiwe umngane wami simbiza mama ugogo ushayiwe ushayiwe bani hayi asazi ushayiwe bani but nasi isithombe ngisendela athi mama usho
just a second is your friend know that you're coming here because of their names and whatnot okay so we'll just maybe refrain from using her name
okay
yeah just so, for safety for your safety as well yeah.
Okay yama so athi mama abamise clinic ayingibhala imbala no guys nizamani ukuthi ngise clinic kubo barathi athi ngana mele lana clinic ngeke silunge already siya nga doctor Midrand ngithi hayi phela udoctor futhi uyashesha ngeke ngifole na line ngeke uzothola umuntu alright bamhambise mababuya ogogo athi ngeke angizukusebenzisa le mithi yesilungu mina ngicela kwenziwe iplan ukuthi kiwe emakhaya kulandwe ugogo uzibanibani isangoma le gogo lo uyozongisiza kule simo engikuzo ubaba kamngane wami uyazi ukuthi okay into esilethela imali la ekhaya into kanje and I think ugogo akamtshela ukuthi lezi zinto uzishayile so waba concern ubaba kamngane wami by ekseni vele wathatha imoto eya ekhaya eMozambique hamba babuya bahambe like uhamba today it's 7 hours drive there so uhambile today then by kusasa bekafona athi ngiyabuya akaphumulanga nokuphumula babuye vele bafike naloko golwana befika benzile ama rituals abawayenzile babenza ama rituals abazukulu abekho ugogo baqoshile abazukulu umngane wami ukithi benza lama rituals abawenzayo lezi zinto iphume zithi no thina sesifuna ukugoduka kokuqala uyasilambisa bese imtshela ukuthi silambile sishaya unayo yonke into unemali indoda yakhe ishonile imshele yonke into ugogo kamngane wami uclaime imali yasemine ngithi bona masebenza emine mawushona ispouse sizoclaim imali thizeni ugogo kamngane wami uclaim more than 3 times ngomuntu oyi1 asazi kanjalo and bephuma so they have everything so listen to complain ukuthi no we can't take it because uyasibulalisa ngendlala uyasazi isikhathi esidla ngaso mesitshaya uthi kwenzakaleni sihleli la size sizalene and usayithola into zakhe but akasiphathi kahle so sifuna ukubuyela emuva
zizalene
so it's like bekumuntu wesilisa nomuntu wesifazane and sekunomntwana okhona then lesa sengoma kusho ukuthi sizama ukuconvince ukuthi no hlalani then le ndoda ethi kokuqala lo muntu wesifazane mina ngimazi ngalando indoda yakhe ngilandile futhi ayisekho mina ngihlelele la bekumele ngabe kade vele ngahamba so then izahambe kanjani ugogo asala gula makagula ugogo agule to the point ukuthi umngane wami uyo omdala abe concerned ukuthi kwenzakalani ngogogo then abuze ubabakhe benobabakhe ba free they talk bayaxoxa into kanjalo kusho ukuthi la ubabakhe emxoxela khona ukuthi nokwenzakala so then umngane wami siyaxoxa like makangitshela ngibe like so Kelly usho ukuthi even if lezinto zibiyela like maybe situation sakini ngeke sishintshe nani athi no they promised ukuthi i situation ngeke sishintshe but ngi surprised ukuthi sikhula kanjani under i situation eso bese ngithi mina it's not like umntwana uzokwazi yonke into eyenzakala endlini maybe nami ngithi there's something happening but should lenzeka kithi lesihluphekisa because uyasibona ubaba wami it's a hard worker uvuka yosebenza I see ukuthi imali isuka from kuphi umama uyi housewife but unama business so I see ukuthi le mali ingena from kuphi when ibingaqali le mali ukuthi iza from kuphi your dad is not working athi no bengakaze ngicabanga le nto le bengingqina ukuthi no gogo umkhulu washo le mali so usishiyele le mali
bahlala kuphi
bahlala eBond it's a nice house kuhle bayithenga iBond bayibhadela bayiqeda then ba extenda ngoba
kazi
kuhle ku right so mesilibele sixoxa I realized ukuthi okay umngane wami naye she's on the dark place akazi kwenzakalani up until it was 2020 it was 2020 mangizoqala lento le corona then ke ugogo washona dup washona nje uye kwamangaza ukuthi akuqinile kanjani washona kanjalo gogo then leza zinto lesa sangoma lesiya wabuya futhi wathuzilanda wahamba nazo but namanje kusase right sekukuthi manje they have to work to earn money akusafani nakuqala imali bivele ingene nje from nowhere imali ingene from nowhere
so but akushonanga umuntu after ugogo ashona
nakushonanga
umuntu so to you what was it ukuthwala
I think ukuthwala angazi ngingayibeka kanjani because before I wouldn't say before even manje I still believe ukuthi mawuthwala there needs to be blood included kufa abantu in but bona impilo yabo be right bekungafi umuntu like bengekho le mingcwabelanda lena bakuyalandelana sinini bebe right nje kuyi family e right but yeah after ugogo shonile lezi zinto bayilanda bahamba nazo then that's when imali it was limited ukungena noma kanjani now they have to work for it.
Where's your friend now?
Ma?
Where's your friend now?
Ukhona. She stays eThembisa but akasahlali kubo uqashile roomini.
You guys are still buddies? How is she doing?
Now she's surviving because mina uphande to earn money if to apply usebenze wenze.
So one of these days in Fisher, what was going through your head? Was she a person who nizijwayeleza kithi or she was as surprised as you are?
Sonke bes like because the time sisibona sabhekana then we went back to the wind ukuthi hey Ndlena what's this and this thing I think last year or when ngibonile we YouTube when I saw the picture that's when I realized ukuthi le nto ngicela ukuyibona I want to saw it face to face something like this
and no boy
like the face yakhona with the ears that's when I was like this thing ngicela ukuyibona I want to saw it face to face.
Do you still have the picture, access to the picture?
I don't because ngabona bekuyi video angizange ngidlale ne video yakhona just thema ngibona I freeze like for a few minutes, then I scroll like ngifuna ngena kuyo.
Usually what other people ask was that all the age of information, especially my phone, at that moment, Mobona isn't this so because Njobo should have vlog. You just see, hey, this is actually content. Like what was going through your head?
Like
Because all the age we joking
yeah, video right.
So why like
So like mina nga freezer and went back to the first day ngibona. Then nga scroller ngaba like
I don't know sweet more born on
phone it
that
from-
with your friend. It didn't come up to conclusion. No,
lento yokuposta ne TikTok nanani, it was not yet
Oh.
famous ngaleyo ndlela.
Maybe it was 2020,
It was 2019.
2019.
Yeah, so like ibisangena but ukuthi mele vlog to like
Bisangena.
yeah.
Ugogo bekanjani? She was young, she was beautiful.
Ugogo bokugogo noma lugugile iminyaka yakhe, it was same as appearance yakhe. Ngithi khona ugogo but uyabona ukuthi akaguganga but ugogo. Then liyabe kugogo. Khona ugogo ugogo ngegama but akaguganga. But yena bekagogo nenwele nje bezimhlophe. And beka inwele zakhe makayigundi yahleza gundisha the bekangagundi salon bekangena endlini agunde ngerazor. Chiscope icwebezele zicele phansi ngisikhulu. Like bekugogo obese senaleya mindset ya back then. Ukuthi mina ngike ngiye salon umuntu esifazana akaye salon inwele zakhe zenza endlini umuntu esifazana ugcoka kanje bekugogo pure gogo.
Lezi zinto lezi sisimple. Mawubhekile, why is it mostly done by female people?
By female angazi ngabe kanjani. Sometimes maybe we as a female ngiphendule as a female angeke ngithi they are. I would say maybe suke try to survive. Somehow maybe we lazy to go and work, then thinking ukuthi this is the easy way of earning money. Because angithi khona abantu abangafuni ukusebenza ufuna nje imali net ngazothi ngivula vele ingene simple as that, but khona lo ufuna ukuvuka isebenza khona lo neplan ukuthi okay mangayenza so imali yami ngangena so bese khona lo uthi no man lento izongifakela imali mangayithatha ngihlale nayo.
Anzamano,
Bengicela ukubuza in terms of a family, ne? Nabamula. Do you think ukuthi ni blessed or ni gifted? Because it seems like no, okay. Certain things.
You've seen things.
So as a family,
So in general ngingasho ukuthi first of all mina as umntwana owamula, I'm blessed to have my mom and dad boyithu ngikhuliswe futhi yibo boyithu and bathathe a responsibility. I'm from the beginning ngizalwa until today. And secondly, to have my siblings akithi, I'm grateful for that. Nendlela esiphila ngayo futhi endlini, we're not rich, we're not poor, but we surviving. Abazali bami, they're hard workers and we're learning from bona. I'm grateful for that. Then spiritually, angazi. I feel angazi maybe angazi ngabeka kanjani.
You sitting here, let me just give you something engayifunda ngoba nginabantwana bamawela. Nenye exception enzima to start with. It's how do you have a set of twins and so I want you to rethink what you're about to say about your spirituality. You can give away your dad, you can give away you can give away all of us ending. So for that safety, it's either mina ngohatebe ngicela ukuthi don't divulge ukuthi spirituality sakho sikuphi sinjani.
Okay.
Because of understanding from I know the challenges that I had when I was raising my abantwana bami amantombazana. I know I know. So what more nina kule nto yokuthi singadla lapha kwamula. You know, because we just don't know ukuthi khona ezinye izinto zifuna vele that blessing leyo le ukuthi ngale yo bafethu da siyavuka. That's mnandi. One family, it's a jackpot. Depending on what the intention is or what they know about what they see. Okay, so they 8 in total, ama twins. Wow. The blessing yalaphayana ingenye indlela. It's either mom or dad or the children themselves. Masingathola unwele nje laphaya. It's done. It's chayile. So bonke labantwana kiritsotswana tsa rona ba re tlo ba sebedisa yo re tletsa tšhelete ntle hampe.
Which is what my mom always say, ukuthi so we don't fight. Umsindo wethu can attract umuntu oyi-one or wrong and destroy it. So we don't, even though sometimes uzokwata to the point ukuthi umuntu ufika ngazothi ngathi ungamphushela le, but mawukhumbula ukuthi you don't fight because you'll attract bad spirits. Then we don't.
Yeah, it's sensitive. It's simple. Not that it's not sensitive, and the next person on the planet is not sensitive. Konama case exceptional. Deepest. Lawyer, judge, advocate. So ama levels in billion our fan. Kuno Ronaldo, kuno Messi, kuno Gabriel Batistuta, kuno Zidane. Angiyabafana bonke labo bantu. So ngiyazi ukuthi mangafundiswa uZinedine Zidane, I become like or even more
of him.
I understand. So even with that case, I know there is one. It's either we say, that's a cat. As soon we are saying, and Shaisana, as soon as so at the podcast, after you babmula, what am I basugala? Hatem. Now, so just for the sake of sensitivity, and I still say it maintains the protection in. And the worst thing I'm going to say, Chitugu.
Ukhona manje usemsebenzini.
Usespaneni. Unjani? Uzithulele.
Yo. Ubhuda mlina.
Ubona izinto naye. Hey, lizibonile izinto. Nake washare story ukuthi ubonile.
No, yena asikaze sixoxe ngama stories aso. The only time nje wabuya endlini anqunu. Uzozikhulumela. Ngicela ukuthi azikhulumele. Ngicela ukuthi nje.
Hayi siyafuna.
Ukuthi nje.
Letembula family. Ubuya nqunu.
Ngicela nje ukuthi
please.
kube uyezikhulumela.
Abantu like
Thato. Yena is too much because he's a male, like he's, and ngithi bona umntana makakhula umfana which is I stout, but manje ngibona ngazuthi it was more than that.
Etato.
So uzozikhulumela yena.
Zwakala picture yakhe utloba famous. Yeah, skawara kawfair. Okay, it's simple. Yeah, no, I truly find umndeni wasekhaya very, very on another level. But please do maintain your peace. Do maintain your peace. You guys have gone through so many things. And just maintain your peace, Ekhaya. It's all that I could just humbly ask from my brother to you as my sister. Just maintain your peace, and from henceforth, just try and from where you are, grow more spiritually. There is one thing was good in good because you might be giving away.
Some info.
Yeah, just go to extra heights whereby. Does any one of you have kids?
I do.
You do?
Yeah, no, children.
Okay. But nkhulisa kahle umkini hamba kahle.
Yeah, but yena owakhe uhlala no baby mama wakhe.
Okay.
Then mina wami uhlala nami endlini.
Okay, cool. It's fine. It's just that we are blessed to have you guys nilandelana in different series. you know, telling your own story. Omunye bekase Mozambique, omunye uthwetshuliwe lapha
Uzile lo.
waqishwa nqamula umuno lapha wathwala ngaye bamenza i-appetito lapha wadliwa ama-human stew lapha.
wasemozambique safika nje udaddy told us ukuthi yes they are a family but you don't go with them.
But it's good fun experience.
Yeah.
Ona Sisimpo. Now that you guys in a later stage, Nengalali, she had to be the sacrifice lamb. So that she comes back and say, guys, I've been there by the grace, I came back, so you know. Because nzosuka nonke la nithathe nithwale ibusiso zenu zonke zamawele angaphili nifi banithathe nonke nikudliwa amapetito wenu ngale wamawele nizothini.
Wesangasabi khona ngawo.
Oh mfethu phela umntana momfana mela qhubeke ngamawele dliwa ama-dog stew amazudeni lela Hotman le yathi dliwa ama-dog stew ama-appetite lela Hotman guys asiliyekeni yo ama-appetite Hotman yeah no awuthi ami siyakulandela mfethu ngiyabonga Hotman nami nama-appetito nama-dog stew lapha ethembisa ngathi iza nezinye athi abanye batholakele badla ama-dog stew. Hotman, with all due respect, no, just continuing as Pansako, Hotman, no, we are following you and we like your show. Yeah, no, Sisong. Awesome, in closure, friends. What would you like to tell your peers when it comes to friends?
Well, that wasn't a bad friend. Or was it? Was she a bad?
No, she was not.
In general, nje wena.
No, in general, like, bangani. Yeah, you can have friends, but ungalahli. Ungabi lo mngani lo olahlayo wena. Like, vuleka man. Ungalahli, don't say yes to everything. No, it's a no. No, uqala ngo any, yes, uqala ngo y. Know how to see a difference between the two. Then you'll never go wrong.
You need to know when to draw the line.
Yeah, know when to say no. And the mouth no, ayizwakali ino yakho. Yeah.
Okay. No, it's simple. We really appreciate you guys. Honestly, we do. We thank you for making time to come and see us, you know, out of your own accord. Nizile nasimangas with ama-twin ni 8 endlini abantu. Guys, yeah, no, we are mulat. So sekusho ukuthi simele uthatho ukuthi afika azositshela ukuthi le dumdum na wangenamba nge-underpant umfethu bekwenza omdlisa ama-dog stew lapha ubona ama-appetite wabaleka i-out yami awuphunyukile umfethu udade wabo uphunyukile naye. Hey guys, you've seen it all. I think we must sit down, guys, as the Mula family, and then just write a book and probably just.
We do have Simona as she's a writer. I'm proud to say with you. Yeah.
Or maybe I'm
Do your parents know about all of your paranormal encounters?
Yeah, we do talk namba zalbit. We friends now. So it's easy to go to each kwenzakale so and get advice.
Have the parents ever connected the dots ukuthi
someday
izinto mazenzakala so in one family?
So my dad ile type le angazi ngizothini, he doesn't really believe in phakathi nanani. Yeah, but he knows what it's there. Angazi noma he doesn't believe in it, but I'm aware that he knows what it's there. Yeah. So noma ngamtshela kwesinye isikhathi vele athi ilama movie enwabukayo and kwesinye isikhathi athi noma ni hallucinate ingqondo yakhe ikutshelile ukuthi you see this. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Ziyabuya kwamula. Angithi kune the Kardashians will do the mullahs.
Oh, we want
yeah,
to
one day time allows sinilandele nisibonise la benidla amapetito khona.
But he already gave us the permission. And so, man, what's my camera again? Mina makuvela mina nizongivala kuhle. It's okay, sizongivala.
Ubani ubabumula la. Okay. No, but nakhona sometimes it needs to have a certain sentiment to the viewers to say why do I want to watch this, and then why can't you watch me? You know, kunalaba ama-celebrity, they've tried. Uthole ukuthi you just don't appeal. You need to have this something special.
Something special, yeah.
Ezothinta umuntu babuke ukuthi, because I'm learning something. So if uzosiflontela ngokuthi si-richy, sine-influence wa yini celebrities, khona lento kumele sifunde ngane. Ekukuthi it's very rare. You
Which
see,
is why I think something like that, like Melukale, from scratch, before you reach where you coming from, usuka kuphi, what are the challenges that you have faced in life, ukuze ufike la ukhona. Yeah.
okay. No, Bafethu, siyabonga. Please let us know right now. Here's another of the Mula girls, Usisimpo. She came. Nayo une-story sakhe. Amdlisa amapetito wakhe. Simele uthatha azositshela naye i-dog stew ayidlile. Titi, Mula boy. No, mfana sesilinde wena, mfana semzini. Yeah, no, and then sibona ukuthi no. Soweto Podcast is very blessed, but I do know Bafethu, we don't like giving mediocre stuff and insulting your intelligence. Yeah, and then start to silahle ngumsebenzi because you've put us in a pedestal of our own, and we try to maintain that quality that we always give. I know, guys, how much you really and truly love the Soweto Podcast. Ngize ngichikwe nasekazi ukuthi awusangisendeli nishawuta njengawuthami mangisuka yazi kunawuthami lapha esiphaza kuyawuthami magubane lapho ngincedise kiosk yafika yangithola ngiblomeni umncedisi lapha esiphaza ngitshela ukuthi yabona wena siya mfana mangisuka nginawe inanekile udog sure dog okay I'm sending a shout out to you mfana except doggy ngicela uhambe uyobukela Soweto Podcast athi nginawe la mara mangisonyobheka futhi kwesithu lapha endi okay doggy I'm with you I'm sending a shout out to especially to you Usipho ade ukuthi shout out to mntwana yami ngane yami ngiyakuthanda noma ungihlukumeza ungitshela. You know, dog, tell me story that I sit here and do every day. Makangibona uzongitshela ukuthi then ngoba nale ntombazana le yesikhiya sase-17 esika le ntombazana le I'm like, dog, I do this every day in my life. You're telling me what dog, I love you, man. So Dog Podcast. Can you imagine you're at work, the one tells ukuthi ngibona uharika mfana yazi washaya dude, I know what I was doing. So Podcast para no mashuba fete senganyamba man.